Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you this afternoon?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, this afternoon we want to read about conversation about family. After that we practice. Okay. Hello, what is your name?
My name is blah blah blah.
Okay. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Okay. Where do you go to school?
I go to school at elementary school.
Okay. What class are you in?
I am class blah blah blah.
Okay. Do you have any brother?
Yes, I have. No, I have no.
Okay. How many brothers do you have?
I have blah 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 brother.
Okay, good. What is his name?
His name is blah blah blah.
Okay. Do you have any sister?
Yes, I have. No, I have not.
Okay. How many sisters do you have?
I have blah 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 sister.
Okay. What is her name?
Her name is blah blah blah.
Okay. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is blah blah blah.
Okay. What is your mother's job?
My mother's job is blah blah blah.
Okay. What is your father's name?
My father's name is blah blah blah.
Yeah. What is your father's job?
My father's job is blah blah blah.
Okay. Thank you very much.